If you play games on Steam and want to control whether they launch in windowed mode or full screen mode, this video is going to help a lot. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to set Steam launch commands for both windowed and full screen games, so you can make your game start the way you want every single time. This is especially useful if a game opens on the wrong monitor, won't launch properly in full screen, or if you just prefer borderless or windowed gameplay for multitasking. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam and go to your library, find the game you want to customize, then right-click it and select Properties. Once the Properties window opens, look for the Launch Options box. This is where you can enter special commands that change how the game starts. If you want the game to launch in windowed mode, you can type a launch command like -windowed. For some games, you may also be able to use -sw or combine it with a resolution command depending on the game's support. If you want the game to start in full screen mode, you can remove any windowed command and instead use -full screen if the game supports it. Some games may also accept commands like -full or -no border for borderless full screen, so the exact command can vary slightly from game to game. The important thing is to enter the command in the launch options field exactly as supported by that game. After typing the command, close the properties window and launch the game normally from Steam. The game should now open using the mode you selected. If it doesn't work right away, don't worry. Some games ignore certain launch commands, so you may need to check the game's community guides or official support pages for the exact parameter it accepts. You can also try changing the command, removing extra spaces, or testing one setting at a time to make sure it applies correctly. If your goal is windowed mode, but you also want a clean look, many players prefer borderless windowed mode because it behaves like full screen while still being easier to switch out of. And if your goal is full screen, launching without any windowed option is sometimes enough, especially if the game remembers your last display setting. So to recap, open Steam, right-click your game, go to Properties, enter the correct launch command in Launch Options, and then start the game to test it. It's a fast way to control how your games display without digging through in-game menus every time. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more Steam tips, gaming fixes, and simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.